the compound in marijuana that's been linked to a range of potential health benefits, which we hear a lot about, but does not cause a high, is showing up in all sorts of products, including energy drinks. We have the CEO of Rocky Mountain High Brands. His name is Michael Welch, who's on the line. You're saying this is a huge change coming in this billion-dollar marijuana-based industry. Michael, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. So tell us, and it's you don't need a legalization to place this compound in the drinks. Is that true?
That's true. It's called CBD or cannabidiol, and it was legalized under the Farm Bill of 2014 from industrial hemp.
Now, does it have the same effects as you would get from, for instance, if someone is having a problem with epileptic seizures? Can you use this CBD, and does it have the same effect?
Yes, actually, CBD is used to treat epileptic seizures, and there are drugs have been approved by the FDA for the first time based on the CBD compound. There are actually two drugs that were approved from a company called GW Pharmaceutical. Mm-hmm. One of them is a THC-based drug, and the other is a CBD-based drug. So there are two versions of the same drug, I guess, depending upon what a physician would order for a patient.
It is interesting because the one that was just, the FDA just legalized, we had a mother in studio here whose daughter has several daily epileptic seizures. And she said what was legalized here in New York State will not work on her daughter. So it might be possible the THC version, but there are different variations, I guess.
No, that's correct. And state and federal laws differ. So that's part of the confusion that we're dealing with. At the federal level, industrial hemp is legal totally at the federal level, and it was legalized under the Farm Bill of 2014. Each state has different laws, and so not every state recognizes industrial hemp as a legal compound that can be sold in that state. Yeah. Most states do. But there are some states that are still very conservative in their views when it comes to industrial hemp, and they still lump it together with marijuana and THC.
Yeah. This CBD, it has a calming effect because I've seen the sodas and water and juice and that sort of thing. You're saying it has a calming effect, but not the effect of causing a high.
Correct. So CBD basically has the benefits of pain relief, stress relief, anxiety relief. It reduces inflammation. It can reduce blood sugar levels, suppress muscle spasms, actually promotes bone growth. So it has several different health benefits, but it does that without creating the high. Yeah. It has 0.3% or less THC content in it. So it's virtually impossible to get high from consuming it.
Understood. All right.
People use this stuff for animals, too, right? And has that market existed before the human market with what you're doing today? So
the pet product market is a fairly new market with CBD, and it's exploding at the same time the human market is exploding. So there are a lot of companies that are going into that. We've actually considered that, and at some point in the future, we may enter that market. Our next move is to move into beverages. So we're moving into a line of water and flavored waters that are infused with CBD.
And is it legal to sell those in New York State? Do you know?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
In New York State, it is legal.
Okay. All right. Very interesting. And your product, your company is Rocky Mountain High Brands.
It is, and we sell our all of our CBD products under the brand name Hempt, HEMPD.
Okay.
So we sell it on our website at hemps.com.
Hemps.com. Okay. All right,
Yes.
Michael Welch, thanks for taking the time. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
All right. By the way, you're saying this is a $1 billion marijuana-based industry. This sector of it is going to be worth $1 billion. Think of the money that's being left on the table in New York here.
Sports betting, too.
That as well, no doubt.